Dear students, today I am going to teach you how to derive the formula of sin A, cos A, tan A and cot A in terms of A by 3 submultiple angle, okay? And submultiple angle, already we have discussed about the submultiple angle, that is A by 2, A by 3, A by 4, that already we have discussed. Now directly I will start derivation of formula. The first one is for sin A. Sin A equals to, we can write sin A can be written as in terms of submultiple. A by 3 is there. So divided by 3 should be there. So we can write like this. Sin, we can write 2A by 3 plus A by 3. Now if you take LCM over here, 3 and 3 will be LCM and you will get 2A plus A will be 3A. 3A divided by 3 is equals to 1. So we can write in this way, okay? Now we will replace this by the formula. That formula you have already learned in compound angle. So that is sin A plus B formula. Sin A plus B. This formula equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This formula you have already learned in chapter compound angle. I think you have already memorized it. So we need to learn this one. Now let us apply the sin A cos B cos A sin B here. So just replace A by 2A by 3 and B you need to replace by A by 3. Okay. So now sin A means 2A by 3. Now cos B is cos, B is here A by 3 only, plus similarly cos A means cos, A means 2A by 3, and then again sin B is A by 3 only. Now we have to put the formula sin 2A here. See, sin 2 times A by 3, sin 2A, and here also cos 2A formula we need to apply. So sin 2A formula is 2. I will write here formula also. Sin 2A, this formula already we have learned. Sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A cos A. This formula we have learned in multiple angle chapter. So instead of the sin 2A, we can write 2 sin A means A by 3 and then cos A means A by 3. 2 sin A cos A. Sin 2A. This is 2A, okay? 2A means A by 3. And then cos A by 3 as it is we can write cos A by 3. Similarly plus cos 2A formula now. Cos 2A formula, which one formula will apply? See, since we are going to derive the formula sin A, so we will put the formula also in terms of sine, okay? Cos 2A also in terms of sine. So formula of cos 2A is like this. Cos 2A equals to, formula of cos 2A in terms of sine, 1 minus 2 sine square A. This was the formula of cos 2A in terms of sine. So this formula we can put here. So if you put formula here, cos 2A formula in terms of sine, 1 minus 2 sine square, then A means A by 3 here, A by 3. Now since there are binomial terms, we need to put bracket over here like this, and sine A by 3 as it is. Sine A by 3 we can write as it is. Okay. Now this is equals to, let us write down the sine A by 3 as it is, 2 sine A by 3 as it is. Now cos A by 2, A by 3 and cos A by 3. That is cos square A by 3. Cos square A by 3 we can write. Okay. And then plus, we can multiply this and this. Sine A by 2, A by 3 times 1 is sine A by 3 as it is. Okay. Now, see this one, see, minus times this plus times minus is minus. So sine A by 3 times 2 sine square A by 3 is 2 sine cube A by 3 we got here. Now, let us continue. Here cos is there. Let us change this cos also in terms of sine. By using this formula, see, cos square A is equals to 1 minus sine square A. This formula already you have learned in class 8. Okay, let us use this formula so that you will get everything in sine. And then we can simplify. So 2 sine A by 3 we can write as it is. Now bracket cos square A by 3. Cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta. So sine square A by 3. Theta means here A by 3. Plus this as it is, okay? Sine A by 3 as it is minus 2 sine cube a by 3 also as it is. Now let us open this bracket, just multiplying by 2 sine a by 3. So it's 2 sine a by 3 times 1 will be 2 sine a by 3 minus 2 sine a by 3 times this one, see. So 2 sine cube a by 3 plus this sine a by 3 as it is, and then minus this 2 sine cube a by 3 is also as it is. Now look at a, this 2 sine a by 3 and this sine a by 3, they are like terms, so we can add. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 sine a by 3 will get, and this one, see, 2 sine cube a by 3, here also 2 sine cube a by 3. Since both of them have got same sign, minus minus, we can add. So minus 4 sine cube a by 3. So this is the formula of sine a in terms of a by 3. So this very important formula. Now in examination, if you are asked to express sine a in terms of a by 3, if you are asked to express sine a in terms of a by 3, you can use the same method and you can do in the same way, okay. Now similarly we will derive for cos also. Number 2 is for cos, okay. Now cos a. Cos a also we can write in the same way as here, see, as here for sine, whatever we have done for sine, same thing we can do for cos also. So cos a can be written as cos a by 3 plus 2a by 3. Anyone you can write in the front side, okay. Here in first case I am writing 2 in the front side. Now I am writing 2 in the back side. Here also if you take LCM, a plus 2a will be 3a. 3a by 3 is just a. So we will get like this. Now we have to apply cos a plus b formula. That formula we have learned in class 9. So cos a plus b formula we can use this one, okay. Compound angle. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus, if it is plus it will be minus, remember this one, and then sine a sine b. This formula we have learned in compound angle chapter. Now let us apply here cos a plus b formula. Just replace a by 3 and b by 2a by 3. Okay, then cos a means a by 3 and then cos a again b means 2a by 3 minus, now sine a means a by 3 and then cos sine b sine 2a by 3. Cos a by 3 as it is we can write. Now cos 2a again, see, cos 2a formula we need to apply. This is cos 2 a by 3 is theta, suppose. Cos 2 theta formula in terms of, we need in terms of cos, because we are going to derive the formula of cos. So we'll put the formula of cos 2a also in terms of cos. So cos 2a formula in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square a minus 1. This is the formula for cos 2a, okay, in terms of cos. So let us put this formula. So since there are binomial terms, 2 terms, then bracket is compulsory. So 2 cos square a means here a by 3 minus 1. This is the formula, okay. So if here is 2a by 3 here, then here also it will be by 3 like this, okay. Now minus the sine a as it is we can write sine a by 3 as it is. Now sine 2a formula also, sine 2a formula already I have written here. Sine 2a formula is 2 sine a cos a. So here 2 dot 2 sine a means here a by 3 and cos a means here a by 3 like this. Okay, let us open this bracket just by multiplying. So 2 cos square a by 3 times cos a by 3 is 2 cos cube a by 3 minus cos a by 3 times 1 is cos a by 3 minus, look at here, this cos and this 2 we can write here separately, 2 cos a by 3 and this sine a by 3 we can write sine square a by 3. Now we need to change the sign in terms of cos. Everything we got cos everywhere, only one is sine. Now this sign also we need to change into cos now. Let us change 2 cos cube a by 3 minus cos a by 3 minus 2 cos a by 3. Now bracket sin square a. Formula of sin square a like this. See, in class 8 you have learned sin square a is 1 minus cos square a. This formula we can apply, okay? If you apply this formula, then here 1 minus cos square a means here a by 3, not a, okay? A by 3 we need to write. So now this as it is other 2 cos cube a by 3 minus cos a by 3 we can write as it is. Now this bracket we have to open, just multiply by minus 2 cos a by 3. Minus 2 cos a by 3 times 1 is minus 2 cos a by 3, okay? Minus times minus is plus. 2 times 1, 2. Cos a by 3 times cos square a by 3 is cos cube a by 3. Okay. Now, look at here. 2 cos cube a by 3, 2 cos cube a by 3. So, they are like terms. So, we can add. We'll get 4 cos cube a by 3. And then this one, see, minus cos a by 3, minus 2 cos a by 3. They are also like terms. Minus, minus, we can add and we'll get minus 2 and 1. If you add, it will be 3. Cos a by 3 and cos a by 3 is cos a by 3. Okay. This is the formula of cos a in terms of a by 3. So, in examination, if you are asked to express cos a in terms of a by 3 or cos a by 3 or a by 3 only, simply you will ask. Okay. If so, then you can derive this formula from here to here. Okay. Just if you are asked just to write, then directly you can write this formula. If you are asked derive the formula, if you are asked express, or if you are change cos a in terms of a by 3, then in such condition we have to show all the steps of derivation also. Okay, now I will do similarly. I will show you for tan also. Okay, number third one is tan a. Now look at here, tan a also in terms of a by 3. How to express? Let us learn this one. Tan a can be written as tan 2 a by 3 plus a by 3. Same process. While breaking, we'll use same process. Okay. Now after this, we have to apply the formula of tan a plus b formula. Okay. So if you want to apply the formula tan a plus b that you have already learned in compound angle chapter, see this one, tan a plus b formula. I'm going to write here and you can use this one. Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. This is the formula of tan a plus b. Okay. Now if you apply this formula here also, tan, this is a plus b. Just replace a by 2a by 3 and b by a by 3 we need to replace. Now if you replace, then you will get like this. Look at here how to replace and get. Okay, let's do in the next page now. See, okay, this is equals to a numerator first of all, tan a plus tan b. Tan a means tan 2a by 3 plus tan b is tan a by 3 divided by 1 minus tan a is tan 2a by 3 dot tan a by 3. Okay. Now, let us put the formula tan 2a now. Again, tan 2a formula also I will write here. Tan 2a equals to, let us write here. Tan 2a formula we need to put now. Tan 2a formula is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, this formula we can apply here now. Okay, here is tan 2a and here is the tan 2a formula we can apply. So if you apply formula like that, then you will get like this. See, okay, let us do tan 2a means a by 3. Okay, so this is 2 tan a by 3 divided by 1 minus tan square a by 3. Formula for this one. Now plus this tan a by 3 is as it is. We'll write as it is. Whole upon. Again see this one now. See this one. 1 minus. Now tan 2a. A means a by 3 here also. Tan 2a is 2 tan a by 3 divided by 1 minus tan square a by 3 times tan a by 3 is as it is. Now we have to take LCM over here. Here is divided by 1 is here. So LCM of this and this will be same. So we can write like this. LCM is 1 minus tan square a by 3 is LCM in the numerator, this and this. Then here it will be same because this denominator and LCM is same. So you will get here also 2 tan a by 3 is as it is, plus now this tan a by 2 will multiply, this will multiply this, see 1 minus tan square a by 2 will multiply here, 1 minus tan square a by 3 will multiply here, whole upon, now this denominator turns here 1. So LCM of this and this is, again let us take LCM of this and this is 1 minus tan square a by 3. Okay, now since 1 will divide here, it will be same, this will multiply here, you will get 1 minus tan square a by 3, and then minus this and this is same, numerator will be same, 2 tan a by 3 and tan a by 3 will be 2 tan square a by 3. Now look at it, in this denominator this and this, look at here, they are same, so we can cut this and this, see, cancel. So what you will get now here, let us open this bracket, see, 2 tan a by 3 plus tan a by 3 times 1 will be tan a by 3, and tan a by 3 times this one minus tan cube a by 3. Yes, whole upon, now this denominator also, see, 1 minus this and this, they are like terms, see, tan square a by 3, tan square a by 3, this is 1, this is 2, minus minus added, so 3 tan square a by 3. So here also see this and this like terms, sorry, this is cube a, this 2 like terms, so we can write like this. This is a by 3, tan a by 3, tan a by 3. We can add, it is 2 plus 1 is 3 tan a by 3 minus tan cube a by 3 whole upon 1 minus 3 tan square a by 3. This is the formula of tan a in terms of a by 3. If you are asked to express tan a in terms of a by 3, tan a by 3, then you can do all these steps. Okay, similarly for cot also we can do. Okay, number 4, we have to derive the formula for cot. So that is cot a equals to, we can break in the same way, cot a by 3 plus 2a by 3, or you can write here 2 and here a also you can write. And then now I'm not going to do this you have to do yourself. You will do yourself this one. Applying formula of cot a plus b, I'll give this hint. This, see, look at it. Cot a plus b formula is like this. Cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a. This formula you can apply. Okay. Apply this one formula. And again afterwards 2 also you will get 2a by 2, 2a by 3. In this case, cot 2a formula also we need. Cot 2a means we will apply 2 cot a divided by, cot 2a formula is cot square a minus 1 divided by 2 cot a. Okay, you can apply this formula, then you will get, see, thus in this opposite way you will get formula of cot a, you will get like this. Cot a will be equals to, you will get this here tan cube a we are getting. This term will be in the front side, this will be in the back side, but in terms of cot. So you will get like this, see, cot cube a by 3 minus 3 cot a by 3 divided by, here also same thing, this will in the front side, 1 will in the back side. So 3 cot square a by 3 minus 1. This will be the formula for cot A in terms of A by 3. Okay, thank you for watching this video.